and we need to continue our study. So this is important. But you were telling that Corona third wave is very dangerous. So how the school will be open? I think that you are still we know that it is dangerous for us, but I know, but I'm telling that third wave is for children.
Farah, in last year Corona is in Surangkot, in Ilahi Public School, in our Ilahi Public School, there is a, you tell me the name of only one student.
Please, I'm not studying in Ilahi Public School, so I don't
in Baba,
excuse me, I'm studying in SDM school.
In SDM school, you tell me the one, you tell me name of one student who is affected with coronavirus.
Excuse me, actually, there are still
Surangkot.
Because schools are closed since two years.
Yes,
That's
schools
right.
Somia.
Yes, I'm telling that there was very students that corona will affect you, and also my father in lockdown my father was also affected by corona.
Excuse me.
I am asking to him.
Study is also important.
I have a question.
First, you girls were telling that the third wave is dangerous. Then how can you tell that the school will definitely
Because our opinions don't matter. It depends on God as well as the government. Yes.
I have
we are also
still, excuse me, still in Surangkot, many schools are open.
Yeah, but up to ninth class.
Excuse me.
Because they are caring more about their health. Even they are using sanitizers. But the students of nursery class, how they can care? We are also only 5th, 6th, 7th, 9th. Yeah, 5th, 7th.
Because our studies.
Wait. Yes.
Anjumbiya, you told that our life is precious, but our life is incomplete without education. So we need education is also precious for us.
Firstly, life is if we have life, we have life.
But he told that our life is precious.
Please, you saying that only life is precious.
Yes.
Sir, my question is for good. Third wave is coming.
Yeah.
Yes. You are fear of third wave?
Yes.
Yes. Why not? Why?
Because it is very dangerous. Most of the millions of people from this world.
You are Muslim now?
Yes.
And do you believe on Allah or not?
We are Corona come because God died.
Ayan.
Yes.
God give you acid.
Last year, Pakistan was dependent on God, and many people died. Now they also understand that they must take precautions.
But God gave this opportunity to the doctors that we can tell that when corona is coming or
God is not giving directly.
God gave message to doctors. They know what's right.
God gives them
mind to doctors.
They are researching. If there is God's choice, then only things will happen. So how can you say that the God will give the message through the WhatsApp?
You are telling that.
Opportunity.
Atika Didi telling that doctors will know about that corona will come. Corona will come in March.
Excuse me.
That
No doctor.
Excuse me. In Quran, if doctors will stop working, then what the corona patients they will die. That is why doctors are working.
we are not telling that doctors are working. Why doctors are working?
What?
Atika Didi.
Allah is giving
In every 100 years, one virus is coming in all this world. Then but you can say that Allah is giving for all of them. Or everybody.
Excuse me. I am telling you that Allah is giving for like our life exam.
You told
Yes,
it's like our life. Atika Didi.
Yes.
Then what do you want? We will not care about your life. Allah told that for Excuse me, Atika
Didi, what will your expression if you will go to school in March?
I think it is not good to go in March in schools because scientists are telling that third wave is coming soon. So it will be very harmful for the children.
But third wave will not be effective as a second and first wave.
Do you
Third
know
wave
that
is very dangerous.
two waves came and now the third is coming
Atika,
and it can affect the students.
Atika
But
Didi,
not that much.
Atika Didi.
If students will wear mask and use
Suppose
sanitizer.
if you will drink one drop or whole poison that is harmful for you. One drop or whole poison.
Adhika Didi,
That is true, but we can
if
refresh our
Adhika Didi, if third wave will not come, then
Definitely it will come.
if I
Who told you?
Scientists.
But science.
That's a matter on God, not scientists. Yeah, but now
But in
corona
news,
is not
they also
fully
told.
completed from this whole world. What? So it is very harmful for all the students.
But it's like silent in what?
Yeah, it's like silent killer.
Yes.
No, it's the silent killer. Means it's not, in these days, the corona is not effective.
But Subur, I think if you will go in other state, then there is also corona in there, or still there is corona.
But still there is corona, but in very low population and
But there is.
Adhika Didi, but in our state there is nothing. Only
But in
Who told you?
But third wave,
I am telling that only 20%.
Yeah, but there is
also harmful due to 20%. Ministers and this ministers are coming to the Love Bungalow and that will not effective.
How that affect us? We are sitting at home. We are not going anywhere.
No, but the people in rally that will not effective for that.
But it's their responsibility. Yes, they should not
I am also telling that it's their responsibility, but they are not. They are doing rallies and like.
Okay, we should take care. Sabur, I agree that now this corona is just silent all over the world, but it will come in March. And
Yeah.
definitely how
Adhika
again
Didi.
second wave, first wave, millions of people from this whole
Adhika
world. But
Didi.
you will think the third wave, it will just silent?
Adhika
With
Didi,
full
guarantee you told that it will come on.
Not maybe 90%.